Dad, see the difference between this? So this is the old one, right? This is the brand new. See the difference? This one is done. It's about time. I mean, it's overdue. I'm gonna put the new brake pads. What up, YouTube? Today, what we're gonna do is we're not gonna fillet fish. We're not gonna do some buy and sell. What we're gonna do is we're gonna change the brake pads of this vehicle. So at this time, I already loosen up the tires. The lug nuts already losing it because if we jack up the car without losing it, what's gonna happen is the wheel's gonna keep on spinning. Always gotta have this. Just got the right size. Excuse me. Dad, see the difference between this? This is the old one. So this is the old one, right? This is the brand new. See the difference? This one is done. It's about time. I mean, it's overdue. I'm gonna put the new brake pads. So if you guys planning thinking about how to compress this, what you wanted to do, make sure the brake fluid cap is off. Leave it off while you compress this. And to compress this, let's say you don't have a compressor, you can use a C-clamp. I'm gonna show you how to work on this. So put your old brake pads by the caliper, then retract this. Now I'm gonna caliper right on the cylinder. You see how this shit will get compressed when I turn it? Oops. Now we're compressing it. We are compressing the cylinder inside that caliper. Alright. Now it's already in. Now what we can do now is put the new brake pads. I finished all my brake pad cleaners, my brake cleaners. So done. Get another new one. Oh shit. Make sure when you drop it like that. When you drop it like that, you clean it because you don't want no little pebbles or little rocks in here. That little rocks will be scraping your rotors. In other words, disc brake. Okay. Place. Now we're gonna take a sip. We're gonna take a sip of water. push it back. Okay, there's still lube in there. You don't have to put some lube. You know what? Let me check if I have a lube. I think I have lube. Yeah. Okay, we still have lube in there. Okay. Now we have the caliper in place. Put the bolt back. Like this. Put the bolt back. Get your socket. Set ratchet. They're trying to speed up the time because sunset is almost here. I'm trying to speed up the process. For a final torque, we want like about, I don't know, maybe like 30 foot-pounds, which this one has a good leverage. I'm gonna go straighten up the wheels and then put the wheels back and pump the brake, and we should be done. Be back in a minute. Now we're ready to put on the wheel. Gotta crack another bottle. Let's go to work. Still goes to the start pattern. Still gonna do the start pattern. Now everything is done. If you guys worry about the other side, I did that already. I don't have time to record it because I'm kind of rushing. Now, what you wanted to do after everything is in place, you might want to go check your brake fluid again. Make sure you put the cap on. You might want to start your engine and then pump the brake. First, it's going to be too soft. When you step on the pedal, the brake is going to be too soft. But after a while, it's going to get stiff. That means the brake fluid is going through that line, squeezing the rotors with that new brake pads. So now, as you can see, oh, good. Ready to compress. That's good. See, it's stiff now. That means we're good. Okay. That's how you replace your brake pads. Rotors, I didn't even replace it because I'm trying to be cheap. And plus my rotors is not that bad. It's not crooked. So at this job, we're all set. Now time to clean up.
Cut.
Cut.
Do I trust this?
Oh.
We're gonna grill?